this tutorial, I will guide you how to bug edit your product. So let's say your product have to make some changes, maybe changing the price of the product or the inventory of the product. So I believe that you will get frustrated and annoying if you have to click into the product and edit them one by one, right? So this is why EasyStore have this bug edit product function. So let's dive into how to bug edit your product. So let's say you can go to products and all products. So let's say maybe I want to change Muji pen and also sticky notes. So I just tick both of this product and I click edit. So under here, by default, there are few fields available here. Of course, you can add more fields you want. For example, the barcode, the weight, and the weight maybe. Besides, you can adding more fields. Of course, you can also removing the fields that you don't want here. So let's say I want to delete this SKU. I can just click this cross. I want to delete this inventory control and the others. So okay, now I can start to amend the prices and the things that I want. So maybe let's say I want to change the price to 20 and this one to 20, this one to 35 and the quantity here to 2. Free shipping. The price here to maybe 10 or become 10. Okay, so once you have done edited, you can just click save and your product will be now updated to the latest. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.